In this video, we are discussing replication overview. Replication means keeping multiple instances of the same data. Replication has only one disadvantage. That means if we want to store the same data into multiple locations in the multiple storage spaces, then obviously we require a huge storage. Obviously, nowadays the storage cost has got reduced to a very nice extent. So that's why we can easily sacrifice that one. But this replication is having manifold advantages. So if one data is getting lost or getting damaged or getting deleted from a certain data source, we can access the same data from the multiple other locations where it got replicated earlier. From the application, this replication will remain transparent. From the application, we cannot get the idea that this particular data from where you are accessing to which other locations the same data was replicated. So replication enhances the availability probability and accessibility probability. So that's why more availability and more data access will be obtained if you go for data replication. So let us go for some further discussion on this replication overview. So what is replication in MongoDB? So replication is the process of synchronizing data across multiple servers. The thing is that when a same data has got replicated into multiple different locations, if there is one update in any one of the instances, then that update must be synchronized with the other instances. Otherwise, the database will become inconsistent. Replication provides redundancy and increases data availability with multiple copies of data on different database servers. So we are having multiple different database servers where this particular data will get replicated. Obviously, it requires more storage space, but obviously it will increase the more availability and more accessibility. Replication protects a database from the loss of single server, and replication also allows you to recover from the hardware failure, the service interruptions and so on. So data will not be lost, that we can ensure. So with additional copies of the data, you can dedicate one of the disastrous recovery, reporting or backup. So these are the advantages of our replication. Why we should use replication? So let us make one summary. So these are the points we have made a summary so that you can understand better. The replication is used for some reasons, and the reasons are like below. The first one, to keep our data safe. So safe means if one server is going down, then the data can be accessed from the other servers. Next one is the high, that is 24/7 availability of data. Disaster recovery. Next one is no downtime for maintenance like the backups, index rebuilds and compaction. We can access data from the other instances, so there is no downtime in this case. Next one is our read scaling, that is extra copies to read from. So depending upon the network congestions or depending some other features and other problems, we can read our data from different sources as when available. So read scaling is getting enhanced. Next one is the replica set is transparent to the application, as I have mentioned earlier. So these are the different advantages we are going to enjoy if we do the replication in our databases, and MongoDB supports replication. Thanks for watching this video.